In today's video we are going to discuss about how to install the Cisco's Packet Tracer tool. Basically, what is Cisco Packet Tracer tool? We'll see a glimpse on that. As the name suggests, it is a tool built by Cisco. This tool will provide a network simulation to practice simple as well as the complex networks. And Cisco Packet Tracer tool is a flexible software program that allows us to experiment with network behavior and build network models. It can be a simple model or a complex model, which it is difficult to build in a real time. For example, if we need to build a system with 1000 computers, it is difficult to do it in real time and then see what is happening there. But when we go with the simulation software, we'll be able to execute the same thing with simulation. We'll be able to see, experiment and learn what is happening there with the Cisco Packet Tracer tool. It is a very flexible software program. Now, how to download and install the Cisco Packet Tracer tool? In order to execute any software, in order to execute any topology, we need to install the Packet Tracer tool. It is a free tool offered by Cisco. Even the registration is also free. I'll show you today how to download the Cisco Packet Tracer tool for your laptop compatible, as well as how to register and get your username and password. Now, in order to do that, we need to go with the website called as netacad.com. Then we need to select the appropriate operating system, what we are going to use, whether it should be in Linux or it is in Windows. Then we need to select the how many bits our operating system is, either it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Accordingly, we can download, register, download and install. 3 steps: register, download, install, enjoy. Now let us directly install the software. Before doing that, we need to check the compatibility of our operating system. For that, you can go to computer, right click on the computer, select properties. Now you can see that it is in Windows 8 and the system is of 64-bit. You can see here 64-bit and it is of Windows. So this information is sufficient. Now we can directly go with netacad website. So in the Google, if you can, you need to type netacad, then enter. So the first website opening is Cisco Networking Academy. You can click on that. Now here you can find that courses. Okay, these are the various courses offered by Cisco's Networking Academy. You can select one of the course called Packet Tracer. Okay, now you can just scroll down a bit where you'll be able to see Introduction to Packet Tracer course. Okay, this course is a self-learning course. You can go to the view course and you'll be able to see what are the facilities in learning this one. This is completely of hands-on practice as it is given there. Okay, here a length is of 10 hours. Cost of this course is free, and for beginners we can use this course as well. Once we complete this course, we'll be getting a badge from Cisco. For next, we need to install the software. For that, we need to register. First, so we'll go with sign up today option and select English. Once we select the English, now we'll get an enrolling option here. You can select the enrollment country. It will ask for a country. You can select India. Done. Then date of birth, you can give your date of birth. It's very simple to do this one. You can give your date of birth. Good. Next step, it will ask for an email ID. I have created a new mail ID for demonstration purpose. cisco22lab@gmail.com. You can use your personal email ID. Then you can give your name, then you can select your current state. Okay, then 8 plus 11 19, give the answer here. Any answer you can give here. What is the question, accordingly you can give some answer. Then you can select I would like to receive it will ask for some more details. We'll see what it is asking. Yes, now they have sent an activation mail. As per this information, they have sent an activation mail. We need to check that activation mail whether we have received it. We'll refresh once. Yes, we got a mail from Networking Academy. Now we need to activate our account. We'll click on activate the account. Now we need to give some password. You see the password should be of 8 characters, a lowercase and uppercase, a number. It should be there. So I am giving a secure password. You can give your own password. We'll see if it is accepting the password. Yes, I think it is accepted the password. Once the password is accepted, then it will redirect to our partner service. Now it has been logged in. Now you can go to Global Net Acad page where we were logged in. Now successfully logged in. Now you can log in with that username, password. It is already logged in. We can fill out all the other details what is asked here. Like gender and whether we are disability is there. All these questions we can select and we can create account. Now account is created and you got a message called as I am learning. Once this is done, then you can download your software by going on to resources. Okay, in the resources you can see download packet tracer. Download packet tracer, you can click on download packet tracer. Now here you can scroll down a little, you can see the instructions. You need to at least 1.5 GB space to install this tool, and you can select your Windows. As I shown you earlier, it is 64-bit. You can select the 64-bit. Okay, once you have done this one, it will start downloading. It is having 227 MB, so it will take some time to download. Once the download is done, we can able to see whether our tool has been downloaded. Yes, it is downloaded. Now once downloading is done, then you can click on the Cisco Packet Tracer tool and you can follow the instructions to install it. I accept the agreement. Now you can install it. The program will get installed now. We'll wait for some time. it is installing. Already downloaded, so second download is not required. Once this installation is done, then you will be able to open our Cisco Packet Tracer tool, log in and execute the topologies. We can build very simple topologies or complex topologies. Whatever topologies we need, we can build it. I have posted many videos regarding the topologies and many concepts in routing and switching, like data communication. Various concepts have demonstrated and I have kept in YouTube videos. You can watch and practice using the Cisco Packet Tracer tool. If you have any doubts, you can post your queries in the comment box. Yes, so it is done. Once the installation is done, you can open your Cisco Packet Tracer. I'll cancel since it is already done. Yes, it is opening. Now I'll first log out, then I'll exit and log out. Since I've already logged in the Cisco Packet Tracer tool with my account, for your demonstration purpose I've just logged out. I'll show you where you need to select and where you need to give your email ID and password once it is successfully installed. Yes, now when you open the Cisco Packet Tracer, immediately it will ask you to sign in. You can choose this Cisco Networking Academy and you can give your credentials. Now you have given the email ID what you have registered, and password, you know what password you have given. If you forget your password also, again you can go and reset your password, then do it. I'll show you. See, even if you forget your password, Cisco, your email ID is wrong, you can just check it out once again. Cisco 22 lab, correct? Yes. Yes, now it has been successfully logged in. Now I'll show you a simple topology also. We'll take two PCs. I've explained everything where you need to take different topologies, how to do the basic switch configuration, basic router configuration, regarding SSH, Telnet, various types of routing. Everything I've explained in various videos. This video is only for learning about how to install a tool for beginners. All these details I elaborately explained in my videos. You can just check. I'm just showing you that my installation is perfect. I'll go to some PCs and give the IP address 192.168.1.1 subnet mask. Similarly, I'll do it here on this PC also, 192.168.1.2. done. This PC also it is done now. Now we'll say packets are sending or not from PC0 to PC1. You can see the message successful, correct. Now in simulation mode as well we can see the same thing. Now packet is being sent, received. Now I'll post the link to download the Cisco Packet Tracer tool in the description of this video. You can use that and then download. If you have any difficulties, you can post it in the queries, the chat box or comment box. I'll be able to resolve it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice learning.